Righto, I decided to come out here and do a before and after. I'm just going to clean up here today and sort some shit because, as you can see, I'm an absolutely messy motherfucker. Look at this shit. Look at this everywhere, look. Look at this aluminium swarf up to my asshole. Cupboards open, look, shit everywhere. Look at it. Oh dear. Righto, I thought I'd do a video while I'm cleaning up. Now that I've done one head. There's what the original head looks like, if I get hold of the fucking thing. Right. Big, bulky, fucking clumsy. Here's what it looks like after 4 days of machining. Chopped the motherfucking shit right out of it. And I even took about, I think 4 or 5 mil off the bottom, just so, and machine that part on 3 different planes, which was a pain in the ass to set up, particularly when you don't have backing plates for it. Chopped it all out, and that will sit over there like that. I'm going to make it up a little bit higher, so I'm going to have to make new push rods. I'll just make them out a bit of round bar so I can lift the heads up a bit higher. So there. And I'm even going to dismantle the distributor and the oil pump and weld it on there and weld the fuel pump on the cam at the back. So have everything on the front. I've even got the front pulley there. I might even put it on yet. See how we go. As you can see, I'm still cleaning up, but this bench is clean. The rest of it I haven't even got to yet. Well, all done. Clean floor. Look at this shit. Look at this. Shit packed away. All the tools where they're supposed to be. Just about fucked the vacuum cleaner up. Clean. All ready to start again tomorrow when I do the other head. So it'll be a fucking mess everywhere when I do that one, let me tell you.